We've got 3 new packages we're going to open up today. Some pretty cool Imaginext figures. Let's start with this one. Cool. Looks like some sort of alien critter. Very cool. Let's see what our second figure is. Cool. Looks like some sort of explorer lady. She's got a jacket, yeah, and she's got a propeller.
Like
this, I'll help you. Cool. All right, let's see what our third one is. Wow, check that guy out. Let's see him. He looks like a lawn gnome.
Well, what's this?
A gnome.
What's this?
It's a mushroom.
It does say hey hey.
Let's see. Yep, he holds it. It's like a mushroom shield. It's a gnome warrior.
How this goes on here?
She holds propeller.
He can fly.
Well, she probably had an airplane she flies in. So we got a female explorer, or a pilot rather. She has a propeller and a cool coat. Keep her warm when she's in her airplane in the sky. Then we have a gnome warrior with a mushroom shield and a big scyther axe. And then we got an alien, presumably an explorer or warrior. Pretty cool stuff.
Alright, K Croc. I expect the Batman will come try to rescue this pilot out of our little jail. As such, I've got this lawn gnome here. He'll think it's just a statue. He'll be a perfect guard. Come on, let's get out of here. Oh, I hope someone comes and rescues me soon. Please help. Quiet, you. Sensors say there's a pilot over here. Gotta see if we can find where she's at. Oh, there she is, right next to that harmless little lawn gnome. Let me go see if I can get her out. Ma'am, I'll get you out of there in no time. But Robin, watch out. Oh, you're going in jail too. Oh. Ha ha ha. Nice job, lawn gnome. I see we have a new guest in our cell. You won't get away with this, Penguin. The Batman will be here soon. Pipe down, you. Now I'm gonna go take my new car for a spin. This is nice. Get in, K Croc. Not so fast, Penguin. Who said that? Where's that coming from? You should know better to put my friends in that cell. It's the Batman. on out of there. You're next. Okay, I give up. Keep walking. Okay. I do have one surprise for you, Batman. Get him, Lawn Gnome. Oh, what's this? Oh. That wasn't very smart of you. Thanks for rescuing me, Batman and Robin. I don't know what would have happened if I'd been stuck in that cell. No problem, ma'am. Let's get out of here. The police should be on their way. You haven't heard the last from me, Batman. That's what you think, Penguin. Come on.